In today's video, I'm going to show you how to generate API documentation in Cursor. To get started, open Cursor and load your project. Once your codebase is ready, press CMD+K or Control+K to open the command palette. From there, type generate docs or simply ask the built-in AI, generate API documentation for this project. Next, select the relevant API files or highlight specific endpoints you want documented. You can refine your prompt by adding details like request methods, response formats, and usage examples to make the output more complete. Cursor will then generate structured documentation in Markdown, including endpoint descriptions, parameters, and sample responses. Review the output in the side panel and make quick edits if needed. Finally, you can export the documentation or copy it directly into your README or documentation platform. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to use the affiliate link in the description.